Hi, I'm Charlotte Vet with childcareland.com, and today I want to share with you Play-Doh Chicka Chicka Boom Boom trees. We really had a lot of fun with this today. The children did really wonderful at making their trees. You need to have Play-Doh. We use brown, black for the coconuts, and green, of course, for the leaves of the tree. And then we also used letters to push into our tree. And what these actually are lowercase, and they also sell these in uppercase, I believe, lacing beads that children, you can string like a cord through these. We use these for lacing on here, and so this worked just perfect. They're the perfect size for this activity. Now I will include the link for these, that you can find these at Amazon.com on there. And again, I do believe they sell uppercase as well, but we just had a really great time. We did our Chicka Chicka Boom Boom at Circle Time today, and then we did this activity afterwards, and it was just really great. After the children chose the letters that they wanted to put in their tree, I went around and talked to everybody about what they chose, and to see if they were able to identify some of the letters. And it was really just a wonderful extension activity for that book, and also great for fine motor skills. But I just wanted to give you an idea of how you can incorporate something like this into your themes. I really love working with Play-Doh, and there's always new activities that can be done with it on there. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so you can be notified when new videos are released. And also, please sign up for my free weekly newsletter at childcareland.com. For Play-Doh Chicka Chicka Boom Boom trees, I'm Shelley Levette with childcareland.com, and thanks for watching.